Today we're on a roof in Brighton, Colorado, and we are joined with Aaron Winter from Protec Products, and we will be using Protec's 6300 roof coating to restore this metal roof that we're on. We got called from the building owner not too long ago because they had a mechanical guy come out and install something inside the building, and they needed to exhaust it through the roof, and the flashing detail that he did wasn't totally correct, and it was leaking. It wasn't correct at all, but it was leaking, and we just put a quick band-aid on it to prevent any water from running above the unit down into the building. But we'll get that corrected and address the rest of the roof. Same jam that we've done before. The fasteners will be addressed first. We'll go through and we'll replace any fasteners and gaskets that need to be addressed. We'll tighten everything down, make sure that it's nice and tight before we put any coating on the top. Before we do the top coat, we'll go through and we'll address all the seams. We'll use fabric material to do a 3-course application if need be, and then do the top coat. We've given this building owner a 15-year warranty on it, and that equates to how many dry films?
For a 15-year, we're doing 35 dry films. That'll be applied. Are we doing a 1-coat or a 2-coat system to achieve that?
2-coat system.
2-coat system to achieve a DFT at 35 mils.
So, Aaron, why don't you walk everybody through why Protec's 6300 acrylic product is a good application for a metal roof restoration like this?
Yep, absolutely. So the EC6300 is 100% acrylic, high solids content, roof coating, perfect for this type of application. Some of the additives are going to increase your adhesion. It's going to have a very high UV stability rate, great reflectivity, and like I said, it's a high solids content. It's over 63% solids by volume, so that's going to minimize their labor, in turns giving the building owner some savings on that labor. You can apply up to 3 gallons in a single pass.
And that's what we really like about it, because obviously bidding jobs, we need to be competitive against a lot of other legitimate and illegitimate companies, and unfortunately there's a lot of companies out there that don't necessarily pay attention or care about the products that they're using, and so they pick up cheap products and they're able to drive the price of the market down. But through Protec Titan applicators, we use quality products because we built quality relationships, and it's perfect for applications like this. The roof life of this metal building isn't compromised. It just needs a little attention, and with a little love and some TLC, it'll last a lot longer. We're on the original roof right now. It's a 100-foot building, and then about 15-20 years ago they added another 50 feet onto the back of it. So there's a transition there that we'll have to pay attention to. But stay tuned, because after that we'll keep you updated and let you know how the project goes as we make progress on it.